Gotta welcome y'all to Coop Central. They're freaking everywhere. What about a hatch, man? Damn.
You suck. Loser.
Oh, we hadn't got to see Alex's in a minute.
Yeah, loser.
Oh, yeah. Looking good, looking good. I guess I have to ride in the back then, right?
Huh?
I'll just follow y'all since I got a hatch.
Shoot, I don't know.
Yeah. Oh, I could take Frostbite, then I'll be cool.
Yeah, I figured that's what you was gonna take.
Yeah.
Yeah, I figured that's what you was gonna take right there.
Sometimes I still think I should have painted it black, you know?
Me too.
Yeah.
Me too. After looking at this.
Yeah, after looking at this.
You're right, that's what I'd have done. But if I did that, I would have been parked next to him and I'd be like, golly.
Yeah.
I wish I painted my car a different color.
Alex, they said I gotta follow y'all because I got a hatch. All these coops out here. we got Nard over there. Nard, what are you doing? You hunting parts? Better watch that red car. He's gonna get some parts. Oh, okay.
You can keep adjusting it later.
Then we got this green thing. You didn't even wash it, Kevin. What?
I did wash it.
I mean, look at all that back there.
I drove it here.
Oh, okay. Well,
you know how they are. They sling water out everywhere.
We'll let you slide this.
Yeah. You know, as soon as you get it clean, you back it out. You got water running out of the mirrors.
Yeah.
You got water running out of the quarter glasses. You got water running out of the fuel door.
Everywhere.
Everywhere.
But actually, we got Tim's coming. Everybody's coming today. Finally, look at that sky.
It is beautiful.
We waited all winter for this.
I don't know. I'm getting hungry. Man.
Are you really? All right.
You must have eaten some beef.
All right, let's get this thing out. Of course, I'm sitting on my keys. That figures. Uh-oh. Whoa! What's that? Huh?
It's not rope.
Oh, it's on.
Not rope. Okay.
Yeah, it was on that pig mat. Now, I'm gonna let you steal Alex's car.
He might not store.
He's not gonna notice you stealing it anyway.
Huh?
He's not gonna notice anyway.
If I get in it, you see if you want me, I'll be going out of my hand.
There you go. Do it. Oh yeah, boys. Good day out of Cars and Coffee. The official first time my car has made it. Got Alex's car out there, getting the cars moved around a little bit. Tim got his car out on the new wheels.
All right, we see y'all next week.
Do you think he's gonna see you?
Huh?
He's not gonna catch you.
No, he's not gonna catch me because once I hit the bypass, I'm gone. Watch me go.
There you go. Oh,
Yes, sir.
should have painted it black. That Pro Charger though. Oh man. I'm telling Alex for weeks he needs to get this thing back out. What do you think, Kevin? You just gonna swap him? It's slow?
Yeah, slow.
You want to swap him though, don't you?
I do want to swap him. It's a good thing I just didn't take off. I like it.
Whoever painted this car did a really nice work though.
No, it looks good.
Came out good. That's a squad right there, bro.
Huh?
That's a squad right there.
That's right.
Love it.
That's how we roll.
All right, so cars and coffee was fun. And here we are. So we know the pinion angle was set right, and we still had issues. And the more we drove it, the more we listened to it. Maybe the rear end had a good amount of play. Didn't seem overly excessive, but there was a good amount of play. So I got it all tore apart. We're gonna go in and swap the gear because it's apart. Put it all back together. Yeah, it's in there anyway. So yeah, current situation. Started out nice spring cruise. Now the car's back in a million pieces again. Almost there. Yeah, that's a hell of a difference right there. 308 to 430. That is freaking wild. Yeah, so here's the new gear. 308. There's the old gear. I guess this one don't say it. Anyway, 430. Freaking crazy. So we're about back together. Just about back together. Got the 308 installed. Check it out. Got my fresh diff cover on there. Now, like I said, when we were driving it, it sounded more and more like the rear end making noise. But, I mean, the 430s had to come out anyway, so even if that doesn't fix it, we'll have the right gear in there and got a new pinion seal in too. Because as you can see, it was leaking pretty bad. So, we'll get some fluid in this thing, get the wheels on it, set it back on the ground. Oh, buddy, she's back on the ground. I guess the only thing to do now is test our theory. Was it the rear end? We're about to find out. vibration, so we'll call that a win. All right, guys, I guess we'll call that a success. Other than a little bit, not excessive, but a little bit of play in the rear end. Didn't really see anything suspect, but guess what? Doesn't freaking matter now because it's not vibrating anymore. And I will note again, the rear end was perfect when we tore it apart. So your guess is as good as mine. Who gives a damn? Still a slight bit of noise. Not really sure what it is, but I'm going to live with it for now. I'm just glad that's taken care of. So, guys, I hope you enjoyed this one. If you did, please drop me a big thumbs up. Make sure you smash that subscribe button. We'll catch you on the next one.